playing with 796 here, and today I'm doing the kick up challenge. So let's get into it. Okay, my attempt is 5. 5 is my attempt. I got this idea from Neverfull Plays and Twins Gaming. Hopefully I achieve it. Twins Gaming didn't do 5 as ooh, I didn't say it was one stop. That was kind of good. But yeah, Twins Gaming couldn't do 5. Yeah, he failed. He got this idea, so I'm copying. I'm after Twins Gaming. The kick up challenge, keep you up challenge. I like to call it keep you up. But yeah, let's just get into it right now. 2 again. 3. Oh, so close. If I do 5 now, then yeah, the video ends. Wait, did I say? Okay, if I don't do it in 16 attempts, no, not 16, 12. Okay. Okay, that was my second one. This is my third one. Whoa. 5th one. 6th one. 7th one. Come on. My God. 8th one. It's my 9th. Yes, 5. Oh my God. I did 5. Okay, let's just do a bit more for fun. This doesn't mean like anything. Okay, like, subscribe, and peace. Okay guys, that was it for today. Be sure to, please, because this is my first video on my second channel, please could you subscribe, like if you want, comment down below what else you want to see on this channel, and check out Crystal Star, Twins Gaming, Rashad Plays, and Megadrill Plays, and Rashad Vlogger, and Megadrill Vlogger. So that's it. Like and subscribe. Peace.